Okay guys, can you see me? As you can see from my backpack, you might think that I have to repeat some classes in school, but actually I'm heading to the airport and heading to another city. I'm ready for the next trip. The thing is that I feel like back in the school days, oh, there's my taxi. First, let's get into the taxi. Is it a taxi? Okay. Yeah, let me ask him, wait a second. Hallo, sind Sie Volkan?
Nein.
Nein? Ach so, okay, danke schön.
Haben Sie Uber bestellt oder?
Uber bestellt, ja genau.
Nee, nicht.
Okay, ach so, okay, danke schön. Ne? Okay, so that was the wrong.
No, this taxi.
Oh, maybe it's that one. Let me see. Are you sure that that is the taxi? Let me ask him. Hi, Volkan? Okay, komm, steig ein. Are you excited? Me too. Okay guys, we are now here at the Berlin Central Station. I'm very excited. Next trip awaiting us.
Ja, geh. Weißt du?
Okay guys, am I connected? Yeah. We have to get the train tickets now, so we're waiting here in the queue. Could you show the queue please? It's not a too long queue guys. So yeah. Okay guys, the bad news is that our train is not coming, so we have to take the next one. And that's the case right now, my friends, man. Okay guys, we are now in our train, but the train has a delay, so we will arrive a bit later than expected, but still no problem. This train is like all empty. Can you see I'm the only one here? Can you see it? Come with me guys, I'll show you. No one is here. I'm the only guy. Yeah, man. The train is now on its way to the Berlin airport, and you still don't know what the destination of this trip is, but I'm gonna let you know. But to make it more interesting, we'll make a quiz out of it, okay? So I'm gonna give you a hint, okay? Then you can type in the comments, what do you believe where we are heading to? Oh.
So, die Fahrt weiter fortsetzen. Der Gleisabschnitt vor uns ist noch besetzt.
Oh my God, we have to wait now. However, okay guys, I just realized that make no sense, because you're gonna see most likely in the description of this video or in the thumbnail what my destination is, but still, for people who maybe haven't read it yet, one hint is I'm gonna make it a bit difficult, okay? So it's a destination in Europe, and they have a famous tower called Eiffel Tower. Where is it? Type it in the comment, guys. Okay guys, we passed the security check. We don't have too much time left, so we need to find our gate now. Okay guys, we landed in Paris, man. It's pretty shitty weather here. It's raining, but yeah, we're still gonna enjoy our time. Excusez-moi, monsieur. Je veux acheter une billette pour le train.
Vous allez prendre le train, c'est là où vous allez acheter les billets.
Hey guys, we are here at the airport called Charles de Gaulle, something like this. And now we have to figure out how we can go to the hotel. We will take a train now. You have seen my conversation in my broke French with the sir. I've been here 2-3 years ago, and from what I've experienced, people here in France, they barely, or at least in Paris, they barely speak English, you know? So that's why it's good to know some basic French. I need to recall all my basic French skills that I've learned in the 8th grade in the class of Madame Lingenau, okay? See you guys. Oh, we have to buy it from here. Let's just buy it from the ticket office. I think that's easier, innit? We'll just buy it from here. No, no one is here. Then let's buy it from here, man. It's crowded here, innit? Okay. But here you can only reload it here, man. I think we have to go there. Okay, guys. I think it's the first one. One way from the airport, innit?
Yeah.
Airport Charles de Gaulle.
Bienvenue en France. Vous êtes le bienvenu en France.
de toutes les nations, toutes les cultures, toutes les communautés. Bienvenue en France.
Merci beaucoup mon ami. Comment ça va?
Ça va et vous?
Ouais, ça va.
Vous avez aimé la France?
Je suis ici pour la deuxième fois. Je ne parle pas français, juste un peu.
Vous vous exprimez super bien, franchement, bravo à vous en tout cas.
Merci beaucoup. Comment tu t'appelles?
Je m'appelle Nagim.
Nagim. Tu viens de quel pays?
Moi je viens de France, mais j'ai des origines algériennes.
Algérienne, hein? Viva l'Algérie.
Et vous?
Je viens d'Allemagne.
Votre séjour se déroule bien, j'imagine, à merveille.
Je ne comprends pas. C'est très difficile.
Your trip is good in
Yeah.
France?
No, we just arrived.
Ah, okay. First
It's
day.
our first day here, so we will stay here until Sunday, 3-4 days, and hopefully it's gonna be nice. This is our second time here.
Okay. I hope for you your trip it will good.
Hopefully.
Of my heart.
Thank you, mes frérots.
Thank you, boss.
Tu es super, ramenez la coupe à la maison.
Kylian Mbappé.
Kylian Mbappé, Ousmane Dembélé. Ouais.
Welcome all in France. Welcome.
Welcome.
It's a good country.
Thank you, sir.
And we are hospitality.
Yeah, you're very kind, I can tell.
Thank you, boss.
You're welcome. You're my boss, not damn you.
Boss. Me and you, boss.
Tu es le boss.
I study and I finish.
Merci. Hey, yo guys, we just had a funny situation. So he has seen the camera and then he was like, are you a YouTuber? I was like, no, not really, but I'm like trying to become one. He was like, hey, I want to be in your video. I was like, okay, sure, why not? And I eventually ended up talking to him like for 40 minutes or something. He ended up giving me his number. We just linked up, you know. Very nice guy. So if you see this, in case you see this, merci beaucoup, frérot, and au revoir. Okay, guys, we are now on our way to the hotel. We have to walk for around 15 minutes or something. It's 10:30. We are happy that we nearly arrived. And let's see what else we will do today. I'm not sure. We will eat something 100%, but I'm not sure if we can find a spot. Bonsoir. Ça va?
Ça va bien.
Moi aussi, merci. We have booked a room.
Which name, please?
Do you need a passport or something?
No, it's okay. Which city in Germany?
Berlin.
Ah, Berlin.
Have you been to Berlin?
Yes.
Yes?
I did my internship there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
For 6 months, 3 months or what?
8 months.
8 months, yeah?
Galerie Lafayette. Do you know Galerie
Oh,
Lafayette?
yeah, I know it,
I
yeah.
was on the top.
Oh, really? Yeah, very nice, yeah.
I did.
When did you do it?
2006.
2006, oh, back then, yeah, back in the days.
Yes.
So did you enjoy Berlin? How was it?
Yes, it was good, but cold.
Too cold, right? Berlin is really cold, yeah. And where are you originally from? Like, are you French?
Congo.
Oh, Congo, yeah, I see. Nice. That's a tiny lift. Very tiny. I'm too close in it. You can see look into my nose in it, man. Oh, that's too close. That's way too close in it, guys. But yeah, the lift is very tiny. I can literally kiss you guys with closed eyes in it. Okay, guys, we have to find our room, which is 37. We have to go here. It's so tiny in it. Yeah, that's our room. Let's go inside. Let's do a little room tour. Hey, come inside, guys, come inside. Wow, that looks cozy, innit? Oh, my bag is so heavy. Ugh. Okay, let's do a small room tour. I think we'll finish the room tour very quick because this is the room, that's it. We have an ocean view, guys. I'll show it to you once I figure out how to open this. Oh, okay, here. Look at the ocean view, guys. Can you see it? That is the ocean view. Please, cameraman, show it to the guy.
It's very tiny, so I have to...
Oh, wait a second, here. That's our ocean view. Bonjour, Paris. Bonne nuit. And this is the bathroom. A small shower. No, it's not too small. It's good actually. I think this area is a bit tiny, but that's typical for Paris. Do you have the card? Yes. Okay guys, it is 11:48 to be precise. We are very hungry. Most of the shops are already closed and we have ordered food online on Uber Eats. And we are waiting desperately for our driver to arrive. I don't know, can you see it here? His name is Wissam. Can we see his picture? Let's see. No connection. This is him. Can you see his picture? He doesn't look too happy with his job. However, so we're waiting for him now. That was one of the only options. Let's have a seat here in the lobby. The funny thing is that 2 years ago I've ordered from the same shop as well, and now we are waiting for him, ne? We are waiting for this guy, Wissam. He has done 3,684 deliveries. Wow. 3,684 deliveries, so that's a lot, isn't it? Wissam, you seem to be a very, very motivated guy. And he knows English, French and Spanish. His satisfaction rate is 93%. Wissam, man. He doesn't look very friendly, but he seems to be friendly, at least when you look at his rating.
He's employee of the month.
Yeah, I think even of the year of the century, innit? He is quick and efficient, perfect hand-off, friendly service, delivered with care and great communication. Wow. So we're waiting for him, guys. Do you know the feeling when you have ordered food and then you're just waiting for it and then you track the route? We are so excited, man. And look at the lobby as we are waiting for him. Let's see, what is this? Carambar caramel. Oh my goodness, is that for free, man? Let's take it all with us, innit? We can eat here, actually. Do you want to eat here or?
No, in the room.
Let's eat in the room, innit? What else do?
It's nice here. It's
Yeah. What do they have here? This is scotch and whiskey. Can we drink it actually? He's arriving now. Let's see where he is. Hi, how are you?
Yeah.
Chez-
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yeah. Have a nice evening. Yeah.
Thank you.
See you. Yeah. Bye. Okay, guys. That's it, man. Let's go.
That's why I'm learning how to film.
What kind of videos do you do?
I would like to talk about hotels.
Oh, really? Yeah.
Yeah.
So you should give me your channel maybe. Then I watch your videos.
I made nothing for now. I'm writing all the story happens to me. Like last time, a guy came with his colleagues. He went to the room of his female colleague.
Okay.
They made love and he was naked.
Okay.
He stepped out to go his room, but he didn't have any card. Tried to go back in the room of the colleague, but it was closed. She was under the shower.
Oh.
So he was naked in the stairs. You know, there are many things happen in a hotel.
You seem to have lots of interesting stories.
Exactly.
You can make a YouTube account, why not, man?
Exactly. Right. We're starting.
Yeah.
We definitely
Just start from the bottom and start from the bottom. Starting from the bottom, yeah.
Now we here.
Yeah, man.
Exactly.
Very cool, man.
To have my own channel or having another channel with my brother. Because me and my brother, we will tell crazy story and everything happened to us, and we will travel all around the world.
Yeah.
Now I gather money like 300,000, you know.
Okay.
And after
300,000, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a lot, yeah.
That's a lot, but you need it to travel, to do everything, you know. I would like to do like vlogs.
Yeah, sure.
And everything.
Do it, definitely. Try it. Like you see, I'm trying it as well, you know. I'm starting like from zero as well. Doing all these videos, editing it, posting it, everything, you know.
Me too, with the same. You will kill it, bro.
Yeah, hopefully. Thank you, sir. Yeah? Have a nice evening, yeah? Take care, yeah? Very cool guy. Okay, guys. Had a nice chat. Very nice guy. But unfortunately, our food got cold now. But still, very interesting story in it. So let's go for it. Let's start, guys. So that's it. This is the mushroom chicken pasta, okay? With a creamy sauce. Let's take the first bite.
That was huge.
Wow, that was a huge bite in it. Need some
I'll
sauce.
try the other one.
Before applying some more salt, let's try the truffle pasta, which is this one. Wow, very good. I'm so tired and so hungry.
Yeah, same.
And initially we wanted to go out to one of the spots that we found online, but all of them were closed. So that was a good option, isn't it? See you later, guys. Okay, guys, we have finished the pasta and look at the table. It's so tiny. Can you see it? And the funny thing is that you can close it. That's efficiency, innit? Let's come to a rating, guys. We paid $35. $35 for the truffle pasta and the chicken mushroom pasta. I think the price was initially 30 euro or 31 or something, but you had to pay like 3 euros for the delivery or something, or 4 approximately. So let's say approximately $35. Now we're talking in dollars because we want to keep it more international. Well, that makes no sense because dollar is only US, isn't it? Or Canada as well, I'm not sure. However, you know what I mean, guys. Let's just talk in dollars, you know, because you want to go to Hollywood in it. Just joking. Okay, guys, so the pasta, both were like, we have the truffle one, the truffle and the chicken mushroom pasta, both were very, very tasty, very good. And my overall rating is a 8 out of 10. Okay, the store or the restaurant, the diner, whatever, was called Chez Milo. Good servers. I think we ordered like at 11:30 p.m. yeah, and it arrived in approximately 20 minutes. You have seen the driver, Wissam. On the picture he weren't smiling, but in real life he was smiling and very kind. So shout out to you as well, my friend, if you see it, but probably you ain't gonna see it, never ever. However, we are very tired, guys. It's midnight now, and I think we will watch some UFC now before going to sleep. And tomorrow, let's see. What are the plans for tomorrow? I don't know. Stay tuned, guys. I think we'll show you lots of interesting things to do here. Lots of good spots where you can eat. And that's it, guys. I'm very tired. Maybe you can see it, maybe not. I'm not sure. And you can only see my upper body. If you would be able to see my lower body, then you would see that I'm naked. So take care, guys. Have a good night and see you tomorrow.